Good day everyone, this is Teacher Justin and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. And for today, we're going to talk about metric system, okay, or conversion of metric to metric. So we have this item, convert 72.6 centigram to decagram. So we have this unit of measurement, okay, centigram to decagram. So, para ma-convert natin siya, we have to use the table, okay, as sa taas, and let's identify kung saan tayo magsisimula, okay. So, sa centi, so, papunta tayo kay deca. Okay, so ilang movement tayo going to that side? So, we have 1, 2, and then 3. So, 3 movement. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa ating decimal point. We will just move our decimal point 3 places to the left. So, 1, 2, 3. So, lagay natin yung decimal point natin dyan. At yung gap, maglagay tayo ng 0. Ayan. Tapos, syempre, since this is a number, okay, yung after ng decimal point, okay, maglagay pa rin tayo ng 0 dyan. Kasi we need to have a whole number pag decimal. So, we have 0.0726 decagrams. And that's it. Ta-da! Alright.